Hey, it's Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate, and I want to talk about the definition of luxury properties. Although extremely arbitrary, for a long time we've used $1 million as like a very exclusive fancy house, and there weren't very many that sold like that. And if you were to take a look at the trend between 2016 and 2021, you probably wouldn't be surprised to know the number of homes in Denver selling above $1 million has quadrupled. So there was 1,300 sales in 2016, over $1 million, and last year we had 5,500. So it's not all that exclusive of a club anymore, and you can see some examples of homes here that they're very nice homes in nice neighborhoods, but they're not the sort of things that you'd put like on the cover of, like, you know, Home magazine or something like that. So we're expecting to see the high end of the market continue to have a very strong year in 2022. The drivers for this are, there's several of them. The highest income earners, the top 10%, generally throughout this recovery did very well. They were much less likely to lose their jobs during the COVID dip, and for the ones that did, they were able to get a job much more quickly than the lower income workers, say in hospitality and restaurants. The second thing is that the people who are buying the very expensive homes are very much influenced by how wealthy they feel and how economically secure they feel. And since they basically got through this entire recession unscathed, that was one huge emotional support for them to feel confident to move ahead with a large purchase. And then the value of their existing home has skyrocketed in the last couple of years, so they were sitting on a huge war chest of equity. And then most of the stock market ownership is concentrated in the top 10% of American families. And of course, the stock market's been on a rampage for the last few years, so there's a huge wealth effect there. The final element of the mix is that mortgage rates in 2020 were at the all-time low on average for the last 50 years. Last year's mortgage rates were the second cheapest mortgage rates in the last 50 years. So this year we're probably going to have the third or fourth cheapest, so not as good as 2020, but historically speaking still very good. So you've got all these factors still in play that are contributing to make luxury buyers feel very enabled to feel confident to make a purchase. If you're one of those people thinking about making a trade up, you're in good company. It's actually a very good time to do it.